In this example, what we are going to do is we already have created a custom stack in our previous example, but we haven't really put it to good use. So we have also developed a printable custom stack which will print out the elements within that stack, but where actually we are going to use it. So in this code, we are trying to implement that custom stack that we have developed, and we will try to put it to good use by trying to reverse a string. So we will have one string which will be initially reversed, which will not make any sense. And then we will use the stack to reverse that. So let us see how this logic works. This is a little bit interesting as well. So stay there with me. In this example, we are going to still use the custom stack. And as you can see, it is the same stack that we have created in our previous example. Now we have extended this custom stack to this viewable stack. What this viewable stack additionally has is the print method. It has the capability of printing out the elements which is there in the stack. But the print over here is not going to print the stack from the top to the bottom. It is going to print starting from index 0 till stack top. So it is going to print the entire stack content in opposite fashion. Now, the application that we have built here, what it does basically. So we have a string. So this is the string that we are going to reverse. Now to reverse, we will use a stack. So whenever you want to reverse, if you see how we are going to add to the stack, basically we keep on adding one element after another element, and the stack top keeps on incrementing itself. So let's say I have a string that I want to reverse. So let's say I have A, B, C. So first I will do what? I will insert A on the stack, then the stack top will get implemented, then I will insert B, and then finally I will insert C. Now if I want to reverse this string, then the output should be CPA. So how we are going to do that? So once we have inserted all the elements, the next thing that we need to do is to start popping and printing the content. So if I pop after inserting A, B and C into the stack, what will be the first popped element from the stack? It will be C. Then after I pop that, the stack top will decrement by 1. So it will now point to location of B. So when I again pop now, it will print B, and then it will again decrement the stack top and it will point to A. And when I again pop, it will print A, and then it will go to -1. The stack top will now point to -1, which signifies that the array is now empty. So this is what it does. Let's see how it is doing this. So I have a string. You can take any string you want. So I have already reversed it and then actually put the content, so that once I reverse this, it will completely make sense. Then I print out the original string using the print stack method that we have built in this viewable stack. So as you can see here, we are using viewable stack, not the custom stack, right? Now coming to the next portion, we are pushing the string char by char onto the stack. So we are reading the string right from starting from index 0, and we are continuing till the last location. So as you can see, my stack.push, we are running one array from 0 to the length of the string, and like this we are continuously pushing one string at a time. Now once the entire string has been inserted into the array, now comes the time to reverse it. So we print out reverse string, and how do we do that? We run a while loop, and then we will start popping the elements. So in the while loop, we have to add this condition to see, before we pop anything, is there any element present in the stack? Otherwise it will be like a index out of bound or null pointer exception, right? So here we put that check, which is checking if the stack is empty. If it is not empty, then we are popping the topmost element, and I am converting it, I am typecasting it into a fundamental data type of character, because as you can see, if you go to the custom stack, it is a array of integer elements. It's not char. So basically whatever integer we are storing, we will convert it into a character, and whatever ASCII code that it points to, it will print that particular character. So this will print out the stack element by element, starting from the topmost element where the stack top is pointing right to the first element that we inserted. So let us see how this works. So if I run this code, and we can see the reverse string. I hope I am making sense. So this is what it was here at the start.